Yes, yes. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I feel confident. I feel confident in this group. I feel like I picked a good group. You know each other? Whoa. Fanception. That's awesome. Hey, bro. What's your name?
I'm Anton.
Anton! Anton!
You gonna meet my son?
Wait, listen. Anton makes a good sound when you slap his meat. Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Heather.
Hi, Heather. What's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan! Hi. What's your name?
Mina.
Mina? Hi. It's a pretty name. Do you want to get married? It's that easy. That's how you get a wife. Come here, guys. I need two of you over here. Take this thing. Not sure what it is, but apparently it makes noise. What are you doing? You have a beer and a fucking jug of Fireball whiskey. You look like... You're drinking more than my... Hey. Alright, so here's how we're gonna do this. These are my rock stars. They're gonna help me sing this next song. You guys are gonna dance your little butts off for them, alright? Right? Good, this song is called Time Out. awesome and wonderful and lovely. And hey, did you just heist a pick from me? It's not cool.
I'll see you guys at the
I trusted you, Anton. I trusted you. Don't touch me.
Hey, let's slap him some more. Let's slap him some more. I like the way it sounds.
All right, wait. Hang on. Before you go. He's firm. He's a firm boy. Okay. Anton, are you single?
He's looking for a girlfriend or boyfriend. We don't know what he likes, but he's down.
Someone better make love to Anton tonight. Okay, that's all.